What's up, everybody? Blood Dragon right here. I'm just heading home from work of this new job that I was doing. And tell you the truth, the jobs that I'm doing is not permanent, to be honest. It's just an agency job, and I'm actually really sick of agency jobs. I want something that I can enjoy and love to do. But when people say, you know, it's a job is a job, to some people it is a job, but some other people don't actually really see it as a job. If you're a person that doesn't like the job, if you don't like the job, and it's just like, what's the point? Like, really, what's the point of continuing a job that you don't like? Because I don't see the point in being a job that you don't like, and you are basically staying in a job and you're just not really happy about it. Especially to go for a job that you like. I mean, like today, my job was to outdoors and indoors, and to tell you the truth, I didn't really like working outside. I didn't really like it, especially when you're wearing high vis. You attract flies and you also attract wasps. I got stung 2 times, and literally my arm is actually fucking swelled up like a motherfucker. It just properly swelled up to the max. It really freaking hurt. I remember the last time I got stung, and this is not from work, this is from at home, when I used to live at my grandparents' house, that there was like a vent in my room, you know, it was opening and closing. Every time it's windy outside, it opened and closed. That day it was windy, and a wasp came into the room, and just looking around and go, oh yeah, this is nice and cozy. Oh look, there's a guy sleeping in there. Don't worry, I ain't gonna wake you. Just don't piss me off, and we'll be just fine. Literally, we'll be just fine. So I was asleep, and also I woke up, and I just jumped on my Xbox 360, and I felt this pain on my foot, my big toe, and I didn't pay attention to it. I thought, I was just imagining it, and then it got really painful, and then I started screaming, and I got up and lifted the covers over off top of me, and then I saw this wasp, and I literally put a cover over it. I just started punching the wasp. I was literally punching the wasp on the covers, and it got really pissed off. And I went, yeah, he's really pissed off now. So I literally grabbed the quilt and also the pillow, because it was on top of the pillow. Whoa. So yeah, I grabbed the pillow and the quilt, and then I went downstairs and I threw it outside. My sister was there, my granddad was downstairs in the kitchen. I think he was cooking breakfast for grandma. My sister's husband was there, well, ex-husband, and my granddad said, what are you being crazy for? Why are you being freaking crazy for? Why are you pulling outside and your pillow? And I said, there was a wasp. There's a little wasp there. I bet to this day he didn't believe me. I bet to this day he did not believe me. And oh man, I didn't bring it in. I think my sister's ex-husband looked, and there was a wasp, and literally he just stomped the fuck out of that wasp. He went, it's dead now. And I went, thanks. And I was at college. was at I was at college, and I had to go into college and finish doing my work. And oh man, I limped, and when I mean limped, I was limping to college. It was so freaking painful, and I couldn't put my socks on. Couldn't put my socks on because my whole leg was just swollen. So yeah, my arm is swelled up. I'm literally lucky that I was lucky that my gloves can fit me, because my arm is literally throbbing right now, like literally throbbing. It's throbbing like hell. So yeah, I mean, today was okay day until I got stung. And I was really not really happy that I got stung. Really not really happy that I got stung. But aside from that, it was okay. But I already said, I turned to the people that I said, you know, this job is not for me. I'm not a outdoor working person. I'm an indoor working person. And the guy said, yeah, I understand. Is he a squid? He's freaking squid in it. As if he's squid in it. You got. As if he's squidding it. As if he's squidding it. That's a Mustang. Yeah, so the guy said, yeah, I understand, because I can tell that you're not an outdoor person when it comes to work. But then when I said it, the guy that I covered is coming back to work tomorrow, so basically I was only there to cover someone because someone's family member has died. So that's the point of the agency work. The agency work is you're just there to work, to cover someone. So yeah, so I'm back at square one. If I manage to find a permanent job, that will be good. I worked my butt off at the other jobs, but I was only there to cover someone. That is it. If someone is sick, and if the job is there that I can do, then I will take the job. If there's a job that I never done, I will give it a try. And if I don't like it, then I just tell them the truth, just straight up, and say, listen, this job is not for me. This is not my sort of job. And it's best to just tell them straight up instead of saying, fuck it, I'm not coming to work. But I know I'm probably gonna get shouted at. Well, get comments down and say, oh, this job is a job. Don't know why you don't want to go in there. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna head off to see a friend and find out what is this all about, because he's calling me up and this, that and the other, and I don't know if it's important. If it's important, then call me. I mean, text me. If it is important, you know, just text me and call me. I mean, at least that I know that you called me. It'd be better if you just text me to let me know that something gone off, or if it's not important, just text me. Anyway, guys, I'll speak to you all later, and don't forget, guys, that to give me a like if you like this video, give me a dislike by pressing the dislike button, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. I might do off-roading videos, I might not, but that depends on my financial Anyway, I'll see you next time.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come ride with me, girl. You can